Hey, Samsung fans! Exciting news! A big software update is on the way for the Galaxy S24 series. Yes, that includes the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Even though there were rumors about an update before the phones hit the shelves, they actually launched with their original software. But don't worry, Samsung heard you loud and clear, and they're rolling out a major update this month to fix things up. Now, let's talk about what's in store. If you thought the display was a bit too bland and lacking that wow factor, Samsung's got your back. They're introducing something cool, a vividness slider in the display settings. This nifty feature lets you tweak the colors on your screen to make them pop, just the way you like it. But wait, there's more. The update also brings some serious upgrades to the camera. Say hello to better zoom, sharper portraits, and clearer videos, especially in dim lighting. Samsung's been tight-lipped about all the details, but it's clear they've been working hard to make sure your camera performs like a champ, no matter the conditions. Starting off in South Korea, this update comes with the fancy-sounding firmware version S24 NKCU1AX5. It's not just about adding that vividness slider, though. Oh no, it also packs in the February 2024 security patch, fixing a whopping 72 security bugs. So not only will your screen look better, but your phone will also be safer than ever. Excited yet? Well, hold on to your hats because this update is headed your way, wherever you are in the world. Just hop into your settings, find the software update menu, and hit that download and install button when the time comes. Trust us, your Galaxy S24 is about to get even cooler. So keep an eye out for that update and get ready to take your phone to the next level.